Okay, today I am going to start fixed point iteration method. Fixed point iteration method. Fixed point iteration method is used in numerical analysis, used to find an approximate solution to algebraic equation and transcendental equation. Transcendental equation. What is transcendental equation? Transcendental equation consists of a trigonometric equation, logarithmic equation, as well as exponential equation. So sometimes it becomes very tedious to find solution to cubic, biquadratic, or transition equation. So we can apply specific numerical methods to find the solution. To find the solution, one among those methods is the fixed point iteration method, and this method is also known as iteration method. Okay, so what is the algorithm behind it? So firstly, we will discuss the algorithm of a fixed point iteration method. So firstly, firstly we choose the initial value of x naught for iterative method. So how to choose the value of x naught? So one way to choose x naught to find the value x is equal to a and x is equal to b, for which fa is less than 0, fb is greater than 0. Fa and fb are the function of at the value a and at the value b. So by narrowing down the section of a and b, take x naught as the average value of a and b. Is suppose suppose a is the interval at which we got fa is less than 0, and b is the interval at which we get function fb is greater than 0. So midpoint of a and b is equal to the x naught. Okay. Now express the given equation in the form x is equal to gx. Now we will convert my equation is in the form of x is equal to gx. Okay. Now we will take differentiation of this equation gx. So g dash x is equal to differentiation of gx. So now g dash x should be less mod of g dash x should be less than 1 at x is equal to x naught. If there more than one possibility of gx, choose the gx which has the minimum value of g dash x at is x is equal to x naught. By applying the successive approximation x naught is equal xn is equal to gxn minus 1. If f is a continuous function, we get a sequence of xn and which converges to a point T naught, which is the approximate solution of the given equation. It means सबसे पहले आपको क्या करना है, x नॉट की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है. वो कैसे फाइंड आउट करोगे? आपको दो क्लोज इंटरवल ऐसे लेने हैं कि एक इंटरवल पे आपके फंक्शन की वैल्यू पॉजिटिव हो, ग्रेटर देन 0 हो, और एक इंटरवल पे आपके फंक्शन की वैल्यू लेस देन 0 हो. राइट. उसके बाद आपको जिस इंटर वो जो इंटरवल है a and b, these are the interval, they those intervals should be close intervals. Okay, close intervals. Right. Now we will find the midpoint of these intervals a and b. So how can we calculate? So x naught is equal to a plus b by 2. Now second point is आपका जो इक्वेशन है उस x को इस तरीके से आप रीअरेंज करेंगे कि वो आप x इज इक्वल टू जी एक्स की फॉर्म में एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हैं. नाउ we will take the differentiation of that equation, and differentiation of that equation should be less than 1. Okay, at x is equal to x naught. if we will get if we will get differentiation of this equation is less than 1, then we can proceed. Otherwise there is no possibility of iteration in this method. Okay, so in this method, more than one possibility of gx is present. Okay, how to convert to how we apply this fixed point iteration method. Let us consider one example for this. So question is, find the real root of equation x cube plus x minus 1 is equal to 0 by iteration method, and carried out 5 iterations. Okay, carried out 5 iterations. So class, here fx is equal to x cube plus 1, x cube plus 1, x cube plus x minus 1 is equal to 0. So firstly we will put x is equal to 0 here. Put x is equal to 0 in the above equation. So we will write f0 is equal to -1 at a is equal to 1, and when we put x is equal to 1, then we will get f1 is equal to 1. Okay, so here value of a means we got fa is negative at 0 and fb is positive at 1. So what will be the value of a and b? Here a is equal to 1, a is equal to 0, b is equal to 1. Now we will take midpoint to calculate x no a plus b by 2, so it will be equal to zero point 0.5, right? So given equation is x cube plus x minus 1 is equal to 0. Here step 1 is completed. Now for step 2 we will arrange this equation as x cube is equal to means 1 को आप इस साइड ले जाएंगे तो it should be positive and x को भी इस साइड ले जाएंगे तो it will be negative. So 1 minus x. So we will rearrange this equation in this manner. We will write as x is equal to 1 minus x की power 1 by 3, right? So this is the gx or we can say phi x. तो phi x हमारा क्या बन गया? phi x is equal to, इसको आप लिख सकते हैं दिस इज द फंक्शन ऑफ x और हमने लिखा phi x is equal to 1 by x power 1 by 3. Now we will take differentiation of this equation which is represented by phi dash x, right? So by formula, differentiation formula, n x n minus 1. So 1 by 3, 1 minus x, 1 n minus 1 means 1 by 3 minus 1, which uh, by which we get minus 2 by 3, and differentiation of this minus x is minus 1. So we will calculate this minus 1 by 3, 1 minus x minus की power minus 2 by 3. Here we will put the value of x naught here which is equal to 0.5. So हमने x 0.5 value put किया, minus 1 over 3, 1 minus 0.5 की power 2 by 3. We will take mod of this equation, means we have to neglect this negative sign, means we will consider positive value. So here when we will calculate this function, we got minus 0.5291. So 0.5291 is less than 1. Okay, so now we can say thus my iteration method is possible for above equation because we got the value of this differentiation uh, is less than 1. Okay, now as I told you we can write our equation in different manner. So x cube minus x cube plus x minus 1 write as in another manner x is equal to 1 minus x cube. Phi x is equal to phi x is equal to 1 minus x cube. So phi dash x is equal to, phi dash x means differentiation of this expression is equal to minus 1 का differentiation means 0 is minus x cube का minus 3x square. Okay, now we will put x naught is equal to 0.5 in this equation. So we, uh, we get 0.75. 0.75 when we put the value of x naught is equal to zero point 0.5 in the above expression, then we get phi dash x is equal to 0.75, which is also less than 1. Okay, now x cube plus x minus 1 is equal to 0. We can write as x cube plus x is equal to 1. Now we will take x as a common factor. X square plus 1 is equal to 1. So we will write as x is equal to 1 upon 1 plus x square. This is phi x. So phi dash x will be this expression will be write as 1 plus x square की power minus 1. So phi dash x will be 1 plus x square minus 2 and x square का क्या हो जाएगा 2x. So differentiation of this equation will be minus 2x 1 plus x square की power minus 2. Now we will put Now we will put value of x naught is equal to zero point 0.5 here in this expression. Then phi dash at zero point 0.5 is equal to 0.64, which is also less than 1. Okay, so what value will we choose? So we choose the value at which function आवर फंक्शन क्लोज टू जीरो. ठीक है, जो फंक्शन की वैल्यू जीरो के क्लोज होगी उसको हम चूज वो फंक्शन हम चूज करते हैं. ठीक है, तो देखो यहाँ पे आपको 5-x 0.64 था, यहाँ इस इक्वेशन को रीअरेंज 0.64, इस पे आपको 0.75 मिल रहा है. तो नेक्स्ट लेकिन जो हमारा क्लोज टू जीरो है वो इस इक्वेशन पे मिल रहा है 0.5. अगर आप इसको नंबर लाइन पे रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, दिस इज जीरो, दिस इज जीरो, तो यहाँ आपका कुछ 0.52 है, यहाँ आपका 0.6 समथिंग है और उसके बाद 0.75 है. तो जो वैल्यू हमें जीरो के नियर बाई मिलती है उस फंक्शन को हम चूज करते हैं अपने नेक्स्ट इटरेशन के लिए. सो वी चूज फंक्शन 1 minus x की पावर 1/3 for next iteration. So taking xn is equal to 1 minus xn minus 1 1/3 means we represent our function in the form of n. Okay, so we will put when we have to calculate the value of x1 here, so we will put n is equal to 0. So n is equal to 1. Okay, so when we put n is equal to 1, so x1 is equal to 1 minus 1 x naught की power 1/3, and we have already calculated x naught is equal to 0.5, so we will put here 0.5, so we get after calculation 0.7937 here. Now next value of x2, so x2 will be equal to 1 minus x1 की power 1/3. So x1 is 0.7937. Put the value of x1 here, so we will get x2 is equal to 0.5909. Next x3, 1 minus x2 की power 1/3. x2 already calculated, so put the value of x2 here 0.5909 की power 1/3, which is equal to 0.7424. Now next value of x4, which is equal to 1 minus x3 की power 1/3. x3 already calculated, so we will put x4 is equal to x 0.6323. Now we will put x5, value of x4 to get the value of x5. So we get value of x5 0.7138. So here process has been completed because in the question he asked to find 5 iterations. So after x naught we calculated x1, x2, x3, x4, x5. if क्वेश्चन में अगर ये मेंशन नहीं किया होता कि आपको कितने इटरेशन तक कैलकुलेट करना है, तो आप अपना जब तक आपका रूट रिपीट्स नहीं होते तब तक आप क्या करते, उसको कैलकुलेट करते रहते, तब तक आप उसको कैलकुलेट करते रहते, या आपके डेसिमल के बाद 2 और 3 वैल्यूज रिपीट हो जाती तो आप कैलकुलेट करते रहते. तो जो हमारा बाइसेक्शन मेथड होता है, रेगुलर फैंसी मेथड होता है, वो मीन्स these methods are very lengthy, but in fixed point iteration methods we got our answer in the 4 or 5 iterations. Okay, so